Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to say cereals and pulses name in Tamil. So let's get started. Cereals in Tamil is called Dhaniyangal. For cereal, singular form Dhaniyam. So let's see the cereals one by one. First one, wheat, Godumai, wheat, Godumai, wheat flour, Godumai மாவு, wheat flour, கோதுமை மாவு, broken wheat, கோதுமை ரவை, broken wheat, கோதுமை ரவை, all-purpose flour or refined flour, மைதா, all-purpose flour or refined flour, மைதா, semolina, ரவை, semolina, ரவை, vermicelli in Tamil is called சேமியா, vermicelli, சேமியா, for general term rice, we call அரிசி in Tamil, rice, அரிசி, for unboiled rice, பச்சரிசி, for unboiled rice, பச்சரிசி, for boiled rice, புழுங்கல் அரிசி, for boiled rice, புழுங்கல் அரிசி, corn or maize is called மக்காச்சோளம் in Tamil, corn or maize, மக்காச்சோளம். Next we have beaten rice or parched rice or rice flakes is called aval in Tamil. So beaten rice or parched rice or rice flakes is called aval. Next we have puffed rice is called pori in Tamil. Puffed rice pori. Puffed rice pori. Then we have pearl millet is called kambu. Pearl millet kambu. We have sorghum is called cholam in Tamil. Sorghum cholam. Then we have finger millet is called kelvaragu or REM in Tamil. So finger millet can be called either kelvaragu or REM. The term kelvaragu is popular. Then we have foxtail millet tinai. Foxtail millet tinai. We have little millet samai. Little millet samai. We have barnyard millet kudirai vali. Barnyard millet குதிரை வாலி. கோடோ மில்லட் வரகு அரிசி. கோடோ மில்லட் வரகு அரிசி. Now let's see some of the pulses name in Tamil. So pulses are called பயறு வகைகள் in Tamil. Pulses பயறு வகைகள். So the term pulse means பயறு. Also a pulse means நாடி or துடிப்பு in Tamil, but in this context pulse means பயறு, lentil means பருப்பு. So let's see the பயறு வகைகள் or பருப்பு வகைகள் one by one. First one, Bengal gram is called கடலை பருப்பு. Bengal gram, கடலை பருப்பு. Black gram is called உளுந்து or உளுத்தம் பருப்பு. Black gram, உளுந்து or உளுத்தம் பருப்பு. The split green gram, yellow, is called பாசிப்பருப்பு or பயத்தம் பருப்பு. The green gram split yellow in color is called பாசிப்பருப்பு or பயத்தம் பருப்பு. Chickpeas are called கொண்டை கடலை. Chickpeas, கொண்டை கடலை. Then green gram, பச்சை பயிறு. Green gram, பச்சை பயிறு. Horse gram, கொள்ளு. Horse gram, கொள்ளு. Red kidney beans, rajma. The term is used in Hindi also. In Tamil also we call rajma. Red kidney beans called rajma. Red lentil is called masoor paruppu. Red lentil is called masoor paruppu. Yellow lentil is called tuvaram paruppu. Yellow lentil is called tuvaram paruppu. Black butter beans are called karuppu mochakottai. Black butter beans, karuppu mochakottai. The other one, brown in color, is called simply mochakottai. Since it is black in color, it is karuppu mochakottai. Karuppu means black. Then moth beans, nari payiru. Moth beans, nari payiru. Then peanut, வேர்க்கடலை or நிலக்கடலை. We can use both the terms. நிலக்கடலை is more common. Peanut, வேர்க்கடலை or நிலக்கடலை. Fried peanut, வறுத்த வேர்க்கடலை or நிலக்கடலை. Then we have sesame seeds, எள்ளு. Sesame seeds, எள்ளு. Black sesame seeds, கருப்பு எள்ளு. கருப்பு means black. Black sesame seeds, கருப்பு எள்ளு. White sesame seeds, வெள்ளை எள்ளு. வெள்ளை means white. White sesame seeds, வெள்ளை எள்ளு. Fried gram, this is used for making chutneys, varu kadalai. Fried gram, varu kadalai. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Bye bye.